Each of these pieces has two possible ways of sitting in the tray, and just because all the pieces are fit in the tray, it does not mean the level is solved because there is an empty space in the tray. This is the IQ Fit puzzle. It has 5 different difficulty levels. Today I'm going to be solving 3 of them, level 42, level 73, and level 98. Clear the board, and let's start off with level 42. We need the green piece in the bottom, then we use the dark blue next to that. The medium blue goes a step above that, the green piece up here, and finally the purple in the corner. With only 5 pieces left to fit into the tray, let's start off with the yellow over here. Then we can place the orange on the bottom. If we use the blue over here, we can use this L next to that, and finally the pink piece can go above the green. Now flip over the tray and let's move on to level 73. In level 73, I start off with the blue piece up here, the pink piece can go beneath that, and then we need the light blue piece beside that. Over here you can see we're going to need like the blue piece. Then we need an L up top, which we could use the yellow L for. This piece here I can use the dark green. If I take the orange, I can place it over here with the red piece above that. But unfortunately, I don't have anything that will fit in here with these 2 pieces. If I move the dark green over here, I can use the light green here, and finally the purple in the middle. In level 98, we start off with the light blue and the purple. So let's start off by taking the orange piece and placing it over here. Then we can use the yellow piece above that. But in this corner over here, I won't be able to use this orange piece because I don't have anything to fill in on the bottom. So if I use this red L over here, I would have to take this out up top and maybe use this piece around the red. But if I place this piece over here, I actually can't fill that next to there. I could use the pink piece over here. Then on the bottom, I could use this one, but I don't have an L shape to go in here. And if I use the orange over here, I can't complete this side. So if I take the pink out here, I can put the yellow on the bottom, and then I'd have to remove this one and place like the orange up top. Then I could use the pink piece next to that. On the bottom, I could use the red L. Then I could place the dark green over here with the light green beside that. And unfortunately, if I put the dark blue up top here, that's not going to work. So if I flip the green this way, I can put the dark blue in here. Oh, so close. I don't think I have the right piece, unfortunately, for here. So if I take this green L and I move it up top, I can put this piece over here, but unfortunately the tray is still not filled because we have one empty space over here. If I take the green out and move it over here, I can use the blue this way, and then all I'd have to do is flip the red piece up to fill the tray. To get the IQ Fit puzzle or many others like it, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.